Hello friends, welcome to my channel Maths with Himangi. Today I am going to start with the new topic integers. Integers is a very important topic. Grade 6 chapter number 6 is integers and grade 7 chapter number 1 is integers. As I said, this is very important topic. So basic concepts of integers are useful for the higher education. If you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you will get notification for my next video. I am going to cover these subtopics in today's video. So let us start with the natural numbers. Natural numbers are the basic numbers that we learn from the nature, such that how many trees are there, how many stones you can see over here. So this is the way we learn natural numbers, by counting the numbers, and that's what the another name for natural numbers is, counting numbers. Natural numbers are denoted by capital N. So capital N consists 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, that is infinite numbers. Everybody knows that 3 minus 2 is 1. All this we have done in lower classes. But what about 3 minus 3? Just now you may say 0, but 0 was not invented that time. So let us think about that. 3 minus 3, we don't have any number. So there is no natural number that will represent 3 minus 3. So clearly we need to extend our natural number system so that we can include the answer. And what is the answer of that 3 minus 3? 0. So we need to extend our natural number system which includes 0. So now whole numbers. 0 was invented in 5th century by Aryabhatta. A new number is added to the family of natural numbers, and the name of the number system is given whole numbers, and whole numbers are denoted by W. So we can say that W is equal to that new number and added to the natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. So the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on are known as whole numbers. So smallest whole number is 0. Or another way we can say that W, that is whole number, is equal to 0 plus all the natural numbers. 0 is added to natural numbers, so the new number system is whole numbers. Now again we know 8 minus 5 is 3. But what about 3 minus 7? Again we don't have any whole number to represent this answer. So again we need to extend our whole number system which includes the negative numbers. So now the next number is integers. What is the need of integers, that I am going to explain you with many examples. So we know that greater number minus smaller number is a whole number. Let us take few examples to clarify this statement. 8 minus 5, the answer is 3. But what about 3 minus 7? We don't know how to subtract greater number from smaller number. Or 0 minus 5. Again we cannot subtract greater number from smaller number. So smaller number minus greater number is a still question mark. How to get the answer? So clearly there are no whole numbers to represent such type of answer. So again we need to extend our whole number system so that we get the negative numbers also. So let us start with the integers. This picture you can see that this minus n means all the negative integers. This is 0 and this is the positive integers, all the positive natural numbers are known as integers, and integers are denoted by capital Z. So thus our new collection together with whole numbers is called integers. So this is the whole numbers and all these negative numbers minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, and this dot dot indicates infinite numbers towards the left hand side. So the negative numbers plus whole numbers makes integers. Again whole numbers we can replace by 0, 1, 2, 3. It means all the negative numbers 0 and all the positive numbers make integers. Again the same thing written in words. So integers are denoted by capital Z. So Z is equal to negative numbers minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0 and all the positive numbers 1, 2, 3, all the positive natural numbers. These are known as integers. So there are also known as directed numbers. Integers are also known as directed numbers. Why? I'll explain you this in today's video later on. Decimals grade 6 chapter 8, grade 7 chapter number 2. This 6 and plus 3, 9 subtopics are ready to watch the videos, and part 1 link is given in the description. Link for the other subtopics are mentioned in part 1. Again, decimal is very important concept for the higher classes. Please do watch all these videos. Now the next topic is oppositeness. Just take the few example. What is this? This is an thermometer. Here you can see 0, you can see the positive numbers, you can see the negative numbers. So the question arises, where can you observe the integers? So we can observe these integers on a thermometer. So here you can take one example. I am taking the example for the month of January. January, you must have heard the word. The temperature in Srinagar was 5 degree centigrade below 0, or the temperature in Delhi was 20 degree above 0. So here you can see the two words, below and above. So this is the oppositeness. Below and above, these are the opposite words. So we can say that minus 1 and 1 are the opposite of each other. You can see that this is minus 1 below the 0, 1 is above the 0. That's what I have written, down and up, below and above. These are the opposite words. Similarly, we can see that this minus 2 and 2 are opposite of each other. Minus 2 is below 0 and minus 2 is above 0. So again, below and above, these are the opposite words. Here we can take one more example related with the businessman. This pic is just I am going to depict a person who is a businessman. Not necessarily a businessman can wear only the shirt pant. The person can wear any other dress also. So here the businessman has two-way scale in mind. Business, always we have profit or loss. So we can say profit and loss. Again, profit and loss are the opposite words. Take few more examples. You can think about the direction. West and east are in opposite direction. North and south is in opposite direction. So again, here we can see the opposite thing. Here you can see that two persons are running on opposite direction or opposite way. One is running to the left hand side and one is running to the right hand side. So again, left hand side and right hand side is the opposite word, opposite direction. So all these examples indicate oppositeness. The oppositeness of two quantities may be indicated by representing one as a positive and another one as a negative numbers. Opposite words with sign. Few examples for this. A deposit of rupees 500. What is the opposite of this? Opposite of deposit is withdrawal. So a withdrawal of rupees 500. Same thing you can write down as an integer. So as an integer we will write down this as a plus 500 and withdraw means minus. So we will write minus 500. An increase of 7, opposite of increase is decrease. So a decrease of 7. Again, increase, it's a plus 7 and decrease, it means minus 7. Above 300 meter, opposite of above is below. So below 300 meter, how will you write down as an integer? Plus 300 and below means minus, so minus 300. Earning 400, opposite of earning is spending 400. So earning means the positive number, positive 400. Spending means the negative, so negative 400. So this is the way with the words we can write down the opposite sentence, or as an integer also we can write down the opposite integers. Grade 6, chapter number 1, 16 subtopics, chapter number 2, 8 subtopics. playing with numbers 11 subtopics, basic geometrical ideas 4 subtopics, understanding elementary shapes 5 subtopics, fraction 10 subtopics, decimals 9 subtopics are ready to watch. Link part 1 link is given in the description and link for the other subtopics are mentioned in part 1. This complete chapter with subtopics are ready to watch. Now, what is positive integer? Just now I used the word positive integer and negative. So, what is positive integer? The number with plus sign are called positive integers. Take the example plus 7, plus 21. But what about 4 and 9? If there is no sign before the integer, it means there is a positive sign. So, a number without sign as 4 is considered as plus 4. Till now, every time we were writing the number 4, 9, 7. What is it actually? This is plus 4, plus 9, plus 7. So, whenever sign is not there, it means it is a positive number. What is negative integer? The numbers with negative sign are called negative integers. Take few examples. Minus 7, minus 21, minus 4, minus 9. Whenever the minus sign is there before any number, this is called negative integers. Negative integers, negative numbers plays an important role in integers. Positive numbers already we have done with the natural number, with the whole number, and in integers we have negative numbers. What does it mean? So negative numbers plays a very important role in integers. So wherever you will get negative integers, think for a minute and then decide what you are supposed to do. And what about 0? Here I have talked about all the negative numbers, all the positive numbers. Then what about 0? So very important concept. 0 is neither positive nor negative. With 0 we don't write plus sign or minus sign. 0 means only 0. Directed numbers. So both the positive and negative numbers are called directed numbers as they indicate directions. Just now few example we have done. Above the 0 means plus sign, below the 0 means negative sign. If you are taking this side plus, so east will be minus. So if one you are taking positive, so another one will become negative. So this way the signs indicates the direction. That's what these are known as a directed numbers. They are also called signed numbers because of the plus and minus sign which is a part of them. So integers are known as a directed numbers or integers are known as a signed numbers also. Thank you for watching my today's video. These are my upcoming videos. Please like, share and subscribe the video and also watch my next video.